Meaning of greyhound.
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 Greyhound. Greyhound is a type of dog breed that is known for their exceptional speed, agility, and hunting abilities. They are tall and lean dogs with muscular bodies and long legs. Greyhounds have been used for various purposes such as racing, hunting, and as pets. Due to their speed and endurance, they have been favored for racing and betting in many parts of the world. Despite their athletic abilities, they are also known for their calm and gentle nature, making them a popular choice for families and individuals seeking a loyal companion.